Everyone wants $1 million view, and you can have this one completely to yourself, plus over an acre of private gardens right here in Kalispell, Montana. Let's go in and take a look around 240 Sunset Trail. What I love most out here is how intentional the landscaping is. Everything was planted to bloom in rotating seasons, so your view is constantly changing color. It gives you this incredibly peaceful, private country feel right in the heart of the Flathead Valley. The first thing you notice when you walk inside is how bright the home feels. Large windows frame the outdoor greenery and mountain vistas, and they flood the living spaces with natural light. You've got 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, and the floor plan feels perfectly balanced, featuring a spacious primary suite to retreat to with custom finishes that give it a warm yet contemporary feel, along with an attached 2-car garage, keeping everything practical and organized. But let's be real, the ultimate masterpiece is this right here. Pull up a chair, look out past your yard, and you have front row seats to some of the absolute best mountain backdrops Montana has to offer. This is where you're spending your summer evenings. If you've been looking for the perfect mix of acreage, views, and close to town convenience, 240 Sunset Trail is it. Send me a DM or call 406-890-5390 to schedule your private tour before it's gone.